Welcome back to 10th Innings Cards and Collectibles. I am opening up a box of 1990-1991 Skybox Series 2 cards today. See Hakeem, the Dream Olajuwon, and Patrick Ewing on the box. Jordan, Price, Isaiah, Bird, Charles Smith, Tim Perry. So I'm going to get 36 packs, 15 cards per pack. So I'm just going to set these out here. These are some of my favorite cards ever produced. I love the design of the Skybox cards, and these are a lot of fun to open. I only paid $35 for these at the Fort Wayne Card Show. So what to expect in Series 2? Well, you can expect to pull some rookies, and I don't think you get Series 1 cards, unfortunately. So we'll take a look and see what we get. If Series 1 is in here, that's a huge bonus. Oh yeah, Series 1 is in here, so these are all cool. So we do have a chance at pulling some Jordans and Shawn Kemp rookie cards. So that's what I'm gonna be hunting down. And these cards are awesome to get signed TTM through the mail. This in the 91-92 Skybox set might be my favorite set to get autographed. If you get the right background shade and the right marker, these look phenomenal. So there's David Robinson. There is John Stockton, Bill Cartwright. A couple of Hall of Famers I'll set off to the side here. Another thing you can do as well, if you are looking to do TTM, there's a lot of coaches that will sign, and these team cards are really cool to get autographed by them. So I've had a few of those get signed, and those turn out really, really nice. Actually, I just sent this, where's the Rockets? There it is. I just sent this Rockets card off to Jeff Van Gundy, even though he wasn't the coach of the Rockets in 1990. I think this will be a really nice one to get back from him. So I think I sent him 91 Skybox for the Knicks and 91 Skybox for the Rockets. Steve Alfred, I've gotten this one TTM and signed. That's a great looking card. There he is. Chris Jackson, better known as Mahmoud Abdul Rauf. Magic Johnson. There's a Mitch Richmond rookie card. Thurl Bailey, of course, was part of the North Carolina State Survive and Advance teams, coached by the legendary coach from NC State, who they hold for every single year. They hold that Jimmy V Foundation, and they raise money, and it's fantastic. And I still can't watch his speech and not bawl like a little baby. So there is Manute Bol, dad of Bol in the NBA. Okay. Flipping around, Dan Shays, Terry Teagle, Larry Brown just sent some cards off to him to get signed. Bobby Hansen, Scotty Brooks, Rick Adelman, I've sent off to him as well. This will be a pretty quick, probably under 15-minute video. Still no MJ, Felton Spencer. There is the mailman, Karl Malone. He just cashed out and made a lot of money through Golden Auction, selling off the Dream Team signed jerseys. He made a cool, I want to say close to $10 million off of that. I could be a little off, might have been $5 million. But he made some dough. Lionel Simmons. There's another David Robinson, another John Stockton. I seem to be getting a lot of the same cards so far, so hopefully that means the best is yet to come here once we get to these other packs. Having a little trouble opening this one. There's a pretty cool looking Drazen Petrovic card in here, which if it tens, there is the Michael Jordan, and that looks beautiful. That's at least a 9, maybe a 10. Touch up that corner a little bit. That's a great looking card, so I'm gonna sleeve that one up real quick. Bob Weiss, Mo Cheeks, Cliff Levingston. I got that autographed by him, TTM, and that looks amazing. So if you have any Cliff Levingston cards, send off to him, because his cards look awesome. So there we go. There's the Jordan. Put that off to the side. Actually, we'll throw it back here. In the distance. Okay, so we're only about, I don't know, eight packs in maybe. Already pulled our first MJ, so if we can get maybe 2 or 3 more, that'd be great. There's Larry Bird, Dennis Rodman, the Chief, Robert Parrish. Okay. Stack over there. Terry Teagle, Tim Perry, Bobby Hansen, Kurt Rambis. Here's a Bulls team card. Speaking of Bull, here's Bill Winnington, not on the Bulls here, but he eventually was, and helped us to 3 NBA championships. Reggie Lewis, the late Reggie Lewis, Tim Hardaway, Dominique, several Hall of Famers in that pack. We are still searching for the Drazen Petrovic and the Shawn Kemp rookie cards. Danny Ainge, Kenny Gaddison, Jeff Malone, Bob Thornton, Scott Hastings, and Michael Williams. These packs are sealed pretty tight. Okay, Orlando Woolridge, I should say. Sorry, Harvey Grant. Anthony Webb, better known as Spud Webb. Akeem Olajuwon, probably better known as Hakeem Olajuwon. Sam Perkins, Jeff Turner, Benoit Benjamin, Scott Skiles, and Kenny the Jet Smith. Kenny the Jet is one of the best all-time television personalities. Him and Chuck and Shaq and that whole team over at TNT is phenomenal. Love those guys. Love that show. Mike Dunleavy Sr., Irvin Johnson. I think I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I just think the NBA back in the day had so many great nicknames. And they really don't give players great nicknames like that anymore, but some of these guys just had the coolest names, like Eric Floyd, Sleepy Floyd, you know, Anthony Webb, Spud Webb, Tyrone Bogues, Muggsy Bogues, Magic, of course. Mike Jaminski, Rod Strickland, Tony Campbell, Boston Celtics team card, Gary Payton rookie card. There we go. That looks great. There's the Bird, second Bird. go. Sam Vincent, Rodney McRae, Bill Cartwright, Greg Kite, Terry Teagle, Tim Perry, Larry Brown, Bobby Hansen again. Man, pulling Bobby Hansen's left and right here. I wish I was pulling Jordan's left and right, not Bobby Hansen's. No offense to Mr. Hansen. Ronaldo Blackman, Jerry Reynolds, Kurt Rambis, Dana Barrows. Another great nickname, John Williams, aka Hot Rod. There is my first Patrick Ewing of the box. Hall of Famer and former Georgetown Hoya great Patrick Ewing. Okay, here we go. Kevin Willis, Derek Harper, Mark West, Harvey Grant, Spud Webb, Keem Olajuwon, and Jeff Turner. Just one MJ so far. We are still chasing the Shawn Kemp. I haven't pulled a Pippen yet either. Dennis Rodman. Here's the Chief Robert Parrish, Dennis Hobson, Muggsy Bogues. I'll throw the Worm down. The Worm, another great nickname. Okay, Rambis, Dana Barrows, another Bulls team card, another Patrick Ewing.
Doing horrible today.
Gotta be more than one Michael Jordan card in here. Come on now, we gotta get at least 3. Phil Jackson in there. There's the first Shawn Kemp. I was a big Shawn Kemp guy. And yet another great nickname. Shawn Kemp was nicknamed the Rain Man. Partially because he played for Seattle, and partially because he could dunk on you and it seemed like he was falling from the sky because he jumped so high. So, got the nickname Rain Man. Kenny the Jet Smith, another one of there. There's a Kendall Gill rookie card, kind of cool. Craig Hodges, sharpshooter for the Chicago Bulls. If you ever want to go down a rabbit hole, Craig Hodges basically exiled from the NBA after winning back-to-back three-point shooting contest, and I would say unjustly kicked out of the league and basically blackballed. So he would have been a guy that made a lot of money in today's basketball. The way he could shoot, he would have been a guy you put in the corner and you kick to him 4 or 5 times a game, and he would have made some serious money. If you look at the contracts that, hey, only about 10 packs left. Johnny Dawkins, Romeo Robinson, there's the Drazen Petrovic, Doc Rivers, Charles Barkley, there's another Jordan right on the bottom there. I don't know which one looks better, this one or the other one. Definitely the other one. This one actually has got a dinged up corner there and a dinged up top corner. Yep, there as you can see it right there.
I see.
So.
I see anything. Sure.
Yep, it's dinged up right here and right here.
I see it.
So let's hope we get one more, because that's not the best Jordan to pull from a box. That's kind of what happens when it's the first or the last card. Those tend to get a little bit more damaged up. So we'll hope we can get one more here. Mike Brown, Mark Eden, Dell Harris, Lenny Wilkins, Stacey King, Scottie Pippen, there we go. Definitely getting some cards I haven't received yet in these packs. There's John Paxson, there's Isaiah Thomas, Nick Anderson, BJ Armstrong, that's his rookie, and Brad Doherty. Yeah. There we go. Oops. Is that card over? Tom Hammonds, Jeff Garner, Purvis Ellison, Horace Grant, Darrell Walker, Larry Drew, Todd Murphy, Armin Gilliam, Lionel Simmons, and Dave Hoppin. I think we're down to our last couple packs here. Can't tell if we have 2 left or 3 left. I'll tell you in a second. Oh, geez, the whole pack's backwards. There we go. Willie Anderson, Bob Weiss, Dell Curry, Charles Oakley, Mo Cheeks, Cliff Livingston, Ed Pickney, Frank Burkowski, Rod Higgins. We got 3 left. Here we go. Let's get one more MJ. Come on. One more MJ, but in better condition. Buck Williams.
Praise the Lord.
Benny Johnson, Dick Motta, Steve Kerr, Reggie Miller, Jerry Sloan, not much in there. Okay, last pack, Magic, come on. Ricky Green, Jay Humphreys, Scott Brooks, Tom Tolbert, Mark Akers, Rick Adelman, Delaney Rudd, Jack Haley, David Greenwood, Mike Jaminski, Andrew Lang, Avery Johnson, Rod Strickland, Tony Campbell, and a Boston Celtic Leprechaun to end it up. So no Jordan. We did pull 2. One's in great condition, one's in not so great condition. But that is it. Thanks for watching another box break here on 10th Innings Cards and Collectibles right here on YouTube. Check back for more episodes, and we appreciate the support.